Alright folks, in this video I am making lip balm today. So this part here is probably the most tedious part of lip balm making. Normally I get my tubes from a specific company, but they've been out for a while due to supply chain issues, so I ordered from a different company and they came capped, and normally they come uncapped, so I had to uncap them all and then put them in their trays so that I could pour away. I'm going to go over two different ways that I pour lip balm, so that way if you don't have trays like these, you can see how you can do it with a squeeze dropper. It's pretty simple. You just need to have some kind of rack to stand them in and you're good to go. So anyway, let's measure out some ingredients. So we've got some sunflower oil, we've got some cocoa butter, and that's my dog in the background there making that noise, sorry. We got mango butter, and we have a little bit of coconut oil. Okay, and I'll put the recipe in the notes on our YouTube channel. And then we've got candelilla wax, and you melt it in either a double boiler or in the microwave, and you want to make sure it's below 180 degrees. Most of your flavor oils have a flash point of around 195, but this is the first way to do it. If you have a fill tray, you just pour it into the fill tray and fill up the tubes, and you scrape off the excess, which can be remelted and poured. As you can see, there's a couple I didn't get to, so that's what I'm doing here is I'm just scraping. I will remelt that and pour it into the corner there and get them all filled up. So the other way that I do lip balm is to put them in a lip balm tray like this, like a holder for a display, and then you just use a squeezer, like an essential oil dropper or whatever you want to call it, the plastic squeeze tubes. I forget what they're even called, but it takes about three pumps to fill each tube. It's a little time consuming, but I don't know, to me it's kind of soothing to do it this way. I like to watch the water tension bubble at the top as the oil creates that tension bubble, when it rises just above the surface of the lip balm tube. But it does take a little while to do this. I know I have it on a sped up version, but this probably takes 10 minutes, assuming that you're not interrupted. Nice thing is, if it hardens, you can always just redo it. So here's three of the ones I made. All right, strawberry, hazelnut, mango, peach. And so to cap them, you just cap them. If they've got if a little leaked on the outside, like that first one, you just wipe it off. And then you grab your label, and I'll have to get a different label because I screwed up the tab. But these come with a perforated tab, and that's like your safety seal, and that way people know it hasn't been opened and they can feel safe using it, right? And that's it. So that's what they look like when they're done. Perfect lip balm. Buy them at wholelifesoaps.com or come into our store.